Since the Bugatti brand's establishment, all its models were expensive and luxurious. Ettore Bugatti believed that nothing could be too beautiful and too expensive, that is why he tried to produce masterpieces. But one model stands out against the background of all other Bugatti. It is the rarest, the most luxurious, and the most expensive. This is the famous Bugatti Type 41 Royale. The idea to create the most luxurious car in the world was born by Ettore Bugatti back in 1913. He wrote a letter to his friend King Alfonso XIII of Spain that he wanted to design a car longer and more expensive than the Rolls-Royce, but much faster. The speed of the new Bugatti should exceed 150 km per hour. At the same time, the engine must be extremely quiet, smooth, and reliable. The monarch liked the idea and he even expressed a desire to become the first buyer of a new Bugatti. But World War I forced Ettore Bugatti to postpone the plans, but not abandon them. The idea of a flagship model returned in the 1920s when a real boom of inexpensive cars with exclusive bodies from various ateliers started. Moreover, one lady from the upper classes of society said to Bugatti that his cars were not luxurious enough and inferior to Rolls-Royce. The ambitious Italian took these words to heart and began to design the best car in the world. Just at that time, Bugatti was developing an aircraft engine for the French government, and it was on this basis that they decided to create an engine for a new model. The straight XIII was huge 14.7-liter. It was really the king of cars, that's why it was given a suitable name, Bugatti Type 41 Royale. In 1928 Ettore Bugatti said that the King of Spain Alfonso XIII was making plans to buy his famous Bugatti Royale, but the king was overthrown, and he did not get the Royale. The first copies of the huge Bugatti Type 41 could not find their buyers until 1932. In 1930, during the Great Depression, the economic crisis in the US, the Bugatti Royale was worth $30,000. Even though the Royale was originally intended for sale to the royal family, not a single copy of this model ever made it into the hands of any member of the royal family. Only 6 Royales were built between 1929 and 1933, each with a striking personality in its name: Coupe Napoleon, Henri Binder Coupe, Esther's Roadster, Weinberger Cabriolet, Park Ward Limousine, Kellner Coupe, Berlin de Voyage. Only 3 of these were sold to regular customers. All 6 of the Royale cars produced still exist today, each with its own exclusive body looks. Some of them underwent a body change several times. Eventually, the price of the Bugatti Type 41 Royale skyrocketed. In 1990 the Kellner Coupe was sold for $15.7 million, a record sum for the car at that time.